In this tutorial, we'll learn how to retrieve a value from a table in Excel using multiple criteria with the XLOOKUP function. Let's say we have a table with 3 columns, A for fruit names, B for values, and C for colors. We want to retrieve the value from column B where the fruit is apple and the color is red. To do this, we'll use the XLOOKUP function. Here's the formula. Type equal XLOOKUP open parenthesis 1, comma, open parenthesis, fruits range, equals, select cell, close parenthesis, asterisk, open parenthesis, colors range, equals, select color cell, close parenthesis, comma, select price range, close parenthesis. Press Enter key. This formula looks for the first instance where the fruit is apple and the color is red and returns the corresponding value from column B. And there you have it. With XLOOKUP, you can easily retrieve values based on multiple criteria in Excel. Feel free to explore and use this powerful function in your own projects.